Pacific coast highway. I left my soul on the Pacific coast
and just levitate.